Jai Radha Madhava Jai Kunja Vihara Jai Radha Madhava Jai Kunja Vihara Jai Gopi Jana Vallabha Jai Gopi Jana Vallabha Jai Giri Varadari Jai Radha Madhava Jai Kunja Vihara Jai Radha Madhava Jai Kunja Vihara Yashodanandana Braja Janaranjana Yashodanandana Braja Janaranjana Yashodanandana Braja Janaranjana Yamuna Tiravanachari Yamuna Tiravanachari Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Krishna Aram se Hare Rama Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare 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 Bal Na 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 Hare Rama Hare Rama Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama Rama Hare Hare
Therefore, the shloka came few shlokas before. Manushyanam sahasreshu kashit atati siddhe. Among thousands of man, one person becomes serious. He wants to attain success of life. Mostly people, like cat and dog, live life just for Hiranya Kashipu. Either they want money And if they get little money, want woman. I have seen it a million times. We generally deal with students. First thing, their anxiety 4 years or 5 years in medicine is that I want a job, settle. Next, I want a woman. That's it. Only two things, whole their life goes into that. Nothing else in their life. That is the life of an animal. But a human life begins. Parabhavasthavadavota jatam yavan na jigyasa atum tattvam. Human life does not even begin unless you inquire about the absolute truth. When you get up in the morning, if this is not predominant in your consciousness, who am I, why I am suffering, how to attain success of life, you wasted your human birth. Better you are born as an animal. Abodha jata. Your birth was useless as a human being. You just wasted it. You didn't take any advantage. Kripanaha, you are a miser. Miser means कंजूस. बोलते हैं ना, बहुत पैसा है लेकिन खाना नहीं खा रहा, भूखा मर रहा है. You are in human form of life. You should be Brahmana. Brahmana means liberal. You use your intelligence and come to this reality that my death is coming. There are 4 destinations for me which I can take. Either I can be in Devi Dham. In Devi Dham also Krishna says, depending on consciousness is originally pure. Just like a water, when it falls on the ground, it can become colored. It can become muddy. Correct? But originally it was pure. So similarly, the consciousness is originally pure, but based on like a glass we wear. What color glass we wear, it will change the way you look at the world. So it can be yellow glass, it can be green glass, it can be red glass. Say I take yellow for Satoguna and the red glass for Rajoguna. Like that we can take different colors for different modes. So you start seeing the world in a different way. Originally, you do not make that mistake because you are pure. But because your water has fallen into the mud, it is colored. So I say my conviction, my opinion, all are colored by the 3 modes which have infected you. So first I have to agree, I have been infected by the 3 modes. I am embarrassed by the 3 modes and I want to come out. Manushyanam sahasresho kashyati yatati siddhe. That person is 1001 who understand he trapped now by the modes. He was trapped by the senses which are dragging him for 2 things, money and woman. I want to come out of this. That will be rare. That will be 1 in 1,000. Yatatam api siddhanam. Among that 1 in 1,000 persons, somebody will understand Krishna. So understanding Krishna is not ordinary. It is extraordinary. Therefore Krishna is saying it very nicely in the shloka, Mattaha paratarana anyat. It's a great thing. And another great thing is if you understand Krishna, what is an advantage? There is an advantage. Because it says, Krishna says, Janma karma chame divyam evam yoveti tattvataha tattva deham punarjanma naiti mamiti so Arjuna. Krishna says, Janma karma chame divyam. My birth and activities are transcendental. If you understand that, you will not take birth again in this world. So it's very important to understand activities of Krishna. Correct? It will cut your cycle of birth and death and you go back to the spiritual world. So it is not just, it is for us. It's for us for necessity. Therefore, a program should be there daily. Every individual should have a program for his own good. Sit down and read Gita. My request is at least 1 hour. Everybody should read. At all he wants to be saved from the cycle of birth and death. Otherwise, there is no hope. No hope. Whoever he may be. Inside the temple, outside of the temple, doing this, doing that, whoever it may be. If he does not read this book for 1 hour, there is no hope for saving you from the cycle of birth and death. Just no hope. You will be lost. Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna, if you do not follow me, you will be lost. What is the meaning? You will be thrown in the cycle of birth and death, will not be able to trace you where you are. Just like straws are together now. In a wave, when the ripple comes, the straws are separated. Agreed? The same way, today we may be together in a family or friends, then we are separate. We don't know where we go. We will be lost. Where, just like कुंभ मेला में होता है ना, इतना सारा लोग आते हैं, हजारों बच्चे घूम जाते हैं उधर. Have gone to कुंभ मेला? There is the lost and found means कोई गिन नहीं सकते, इतने लोग घूमते हैं उधर. कुछ को मिला देते हैं, कुछ मिला भी नहीं पाते. It's like 2 crore people come. in the tamasha, how many people get lost here. It's like that, we really thrown, can't ever trace each other where we are and which form we are. We really lost in the new identification. So it's a big dilemma. To solve from this dilemma, Krishna very kindly comes to this world. He personally speaks the Bhagavad Gita to Arjuna. He sees the Bhagavad Gita is recorded by Vedavyasa, but he sees people are still not following him. Krishna comes again as Lord Chaitanya, and he personally gives an example how to surrender to Krishna. They still don't want to do. What can Krishna do? And he is telling very easy in this chapter now, as it continues the thought flow. He is telling, it's very okay, I am the Supreme, but it is easy to understand me. Now you say, okay, Krishna says I am the Supreme, and this is given in the Shastra. It is accepted by all the great authorities. I accept that. Previously, Narada, Asita, Devala, they said Krishna is the Supreme. Presently, great acharyas like Madhvacharya, Ramanujacharya, they said Krishna is Supreme. I accept based on the authority of the Acharya. But how do I perceive him? So Krishna says, don't worry, you can perceive me. Rasoham apsukanteya. When you drink water, I am that. Because finally, everything is Krishna's energy. Rasoham apsukanteya prabhasmi sisishuryaha. So when you drink water, who does not drink water? Everybody drinks water. Remember, that's Krishna. You make advancement. Because somewhere you are remembering Krishna now. Correct? You see the sun and the moon. Krishna, Krishna. It's not difficult. Prabhupada gives an example. Last Sunday I told that. Suppose you are working in MRPL. So you're working in the TVS. Okay. So when you're working in the company, you're still conscious this company is owned by somebody. TVS. You're doing a job. You're doing whatever job. You know the company is owned by somebody. Correct? So when in a small company job you can be aware somebody is owning that company, when you're working in this world, why you cannot be aware this world is owned by Krishna? It's not difficult. And whatever you see in the company, you know it belongs to him. See, water, gift of Krishna. Sun and moon, gift of Krishna. Just like through the energy of the sun we see whole, this material world is there. Prabhuji, wait kariye, please. We know, just like we see through the energy of the sun, whole material world is there. In the same way, we can see by the energy of Krishna, everything is there. Correct? It is not that it is coming accidentally. No. Now something very interesting Prabhupada says. Prabhupada says, look at this. Bhagavad Gita, we have to know Krishna, you have to know from the Shastra. Bhagavad Gita, Krishna is declaring, Mattaha paratara na anyat. Krishna declares very easily. And then the first hearer of Bhagavad Gita, Arjuna says in the Bhagavad Gita, Param Brahma, Param Dhamam, Pavitram, Paramam Bhavam, Purusham Shashtam Divyam Adi Devam Ajam Vibhum. So the Arjuna also, he heard Bhagavad Gita, he says, Krishna, you are the Supreme. Param Brahma, Param Dhavam, Adi Devam. Agree? Now Krishna says, I am Supreme. The speaker of Gita says he is Supreme. The hearer of Bhagavad Gita says he is Supreme. If you do not accept the speaker of Gita, you do not accept the hearer of Gita, then what can be done? You understand? Aaj ke liye kya? What is this reading of Bhagavad Gita? Therefore we write Bhagavad Gita as it is. Krishna says you are I am Supreme. Arjuna says, yes, Krishna, you are Supreme. The both speaker of Bhagavad Gita says, I am Supreme. The first student of Bhagavad Gita confirms, yes, I understood, Krishna, you are Supreme. What is your position if you reject both of them? What is this reading of Bhagavad Gita? What are these commentaries of Bhagavad Gita going on? It is very unusual. Okay? Another thing is that many people have the conclusion that beyond Krishna, there is some energy. They have this. Mostly society, they say that. Krishna is saying, I am the Supreme. There is nothing higher to me. Matta paratara na anyat. There is nothing higher to me. Over now. If you accept Bhagavad Gita, it's all over. But they say, no, actually there is some energy, some Brahman, and finally that Nirakara has taken a Akara. Where does Krishna say that? Where does Krishna say that in Bhagavad Gita? Rather, Krishna rejects that conclusion in Bhagavad Gita. Krishna says, Avyakta avyaktam vyaktimapannam. If somebody says, I did not have form and personality, but I have taken form and personality, manyate mam abuddhayaha. Such an opinion is of a person who does not have buddhi. Param bhavam ajananto mama bhuta maheshwara. They are not aware of my supreme nature. So Krishna is very clear. Very clear. If you follow Bhagavad Gita as it is, there is no doubt you become a devotee of Krishna. There is no doubt. And you see now the joke. Prabhupada says, not a pride, but it says a fact. See, when you say a fact, it's not proud, it's a fact. Prabhupada says, before I came to America, so many so-called Anandas came. And they opened so-called Vedanta society, this blah, blah, blah. They could not make one person into devotee of Krishna. Prabhupada said, I found zero, not even 1% devotee of the Lord in the Western world. They could not do a single work. Why? They were not teaching Bhagavad Gita as it is. What is the teaching they were giving of Bhagavad Gita that a hearer could not even accept Krishna as the Supreme Personality? Isn't it? Just look. Not that, even today, how much cheating is going on. Isn't the shloka so clear? There is nothing superior to Krishna. Correct? And now Krishna is speaking to Arjuna as a personality. One more meaning of this. How is Krishna speaking? As a person standing in front of him. What is standing in front of Arjuna? Is a light and something was standing, or a person was standing? Person was standing, no doubt. Arjuna was looking at Krishna eye to eye and he was asking questions. And Krishna was answering eye to eye. Okay? Again and again Krishna says, Mata parataram nanyat aham adi videvanam. I am the source of all the devatas. Aham sarvasya prabhavo. Everything comes from me. Again and again Krishna is explaining. Again, very nicely Krishna is explaining. And Arjuna is seeing a personality, a person speaking to him. Krishna is saying, Matta Parataranya, there is nothing higher to me. Don't think I am here in front of you, but beyond me some energy light is there. No, sir. I am the end. That is also the definition of God. In Ishopanishad it says, Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha Anadi Adi Govinda Sarva Karana Karanam. He says Krishna is the Supreme Personality. Ishvara Parama Krishna Sachidananda Vigraha. Sachidananda means he has a form of eternity, bliss and knowledge. Anadi, he does not have origin. Adi, he is the origin of everything. Sarva Karana Karanam, he is the cause of all causes. So it's very, very clear that the definition of God means he is the origin. If you define God as a controller, then you will be in confusion. Because in Mangalore city somebody is a controller, in your company somebody else is a controller. There will be so many controllers. But Parameshwara is Krishna. So controller thing confuses. Therefore the definition of God always, even in Bhagavatam, is given as Janmadi Yasyataha. God means the source, the origin from which everything is coming. Okay? So Krishna is very clear here. Matta Paratarana Anyat, nothing is higher to me. There is nothing greater to Krishna. That is the definition of God. Moment he says that, that is God. You got it? Somebody says, I am God. I'll question you, are you the supreme being? There should be nothing higher than you. But you're not the supreme being. Your boss controls you in the office. Over. Chapter closed. You're not the supreme. What is God? Standing in airport in the line, in that he is standing in traffic bus, he is getting sick, running to a hospital. What kind of God is this? God means there is no controller who can control him. Nothing can control his energies or any personality. Nothing can control. What all exists is Krishna and his energies. Okay? So this is actually a very important philosophical conclusion, and we should not avoid. Sometimes people say, "Ye sab kya jarurat nahi hai." Then you will never become a devotee. You will always remain neophyte, and that is the condition of India. That is why people fall for all cheap gods in India, and nobody is properly practicing. They don't know what is Devi, they don't know what is Devata, and they get angry at ISKCON because we tell all these things. You not see? They get angry. So many videos on the YouTube I see now. ISKCON, they simply discriminate, they find fault. Perhaps we are the only people who tell the truth. What is the wrong way of doing? You got it? We are clearly explaining the facts, because if it says in Chaitanya Charitamrita, don't avoid Siddhanta. If you avoid Siddhanta, you will always remain a neophyte devotee. Just like we see, I told you that joke, I think. I didn't tell you the joke. We see the millions of people are going to temple. I didn't tell on a Sunday, on a weekday. You heard that? Millions of people. So Narada was surprised. This Kali Yuga, millions of people are going to temple. They are going to Tirupati and Srirangam. You go to Kumbh Mela. Can't count. Crores of people are going in a year. Your Ayyappa, also crores of people. So people are very religious, going to temples and all. So he went to Narayana and he said, I find people are very religious and all, but one thing surprising, I don't find anybody come to Vaikuntha here. So he says, okay, do one thing. You go to temple and ask. Anybody wants, I can take. You can bring as many you want from them. So he went to one temple and he asked people, you are going to temple? Yes, we can come with me, please. Suppose Narada comes here. Please come, I am taking you to Vaikuntha. We will be all very happy, hopefully. Okay. But then nobody raises hand. Everybody's hand is down. So then one person says, yes, I'll come. So Narada says, chalo? No, I have to do some packing. So Narada says, packing? Everything is there. You don't have to take anything from here. Vaikuntha, you don't need your anything. Everything is available there. So he said, when are we coming back? So what coming back? Yad gatvana nivartante. When you go there, you never come back. And then I don't want. He also ran away. So basically, without knowledge, when you practice spiritual life, you'll always remain a neophyte. You got it? But when you have understanding, you get clear understanding, then you will be very clear. Then what will happen is that by hearing, you will be very serious. When you are chanting also, you're not just chanting. You know why we are chanting. See, when you do spiritual activities, knowing why we are doing, then you do them very, very nicely. Okay? Then only these things will develop. So this is very nicely explained.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ramo, Ramo Ramo, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare